Number 1. Vantrue N4 Pro 3-channel dash cam. Using the latest SONY STARVIS 2IMX678 sensor, the N4 Pro's front camera supports up to 4K resolution, delivering cinematic, smooth 4K image quality that makes reading license plates a breeze, day or night. Monitor your car's front, interior, and rear simultaneously in 4K plus 1080p plus 1080p resolution, providing valuable evidence for insurance claims or disputes. Adopting the SONY STARVIS 2 image sensor, which can provide better low-light performance and clarity compared with STARVIS, enables the N4 Pro Dashcam to record images of moving vehicles more accurately and quickly without blurring or chromatic aberration. Number 2. VIOFO A229 Plus Dash Cam. This is the first front and rear dash cam to feature two SONY STARVIS 2IMX675 image sensors. Its advanced technology offers 2.5 times dynamic range and 2.5 times light sensitivity compared to STARVIS, resulting in reduced noise and motion blur during night recording. The A229 Plus is equipped with a state-of-the-art quad-mode GPS module that supports 4 satellite positioning systems and provides 3 24-hour parking mode options. VIOFO A229 Plus Dashcam offers upgraded 2K plus 2K front and rear recording capabilities with 1440p resolution for high-definition recording effects. The front camera has a high frame rate of up to 60 FPS, ensuring crystal clear images, accurate color representation, and perfectly balanced exposure levels. Number 3. 70mm Dash Cam A510. The A510 dash cam offers front and rear dual recording in Ultra HD 1944p plus 1080p resolution, providing clearer visuals and finer details on the road. The front camera has a 140 degrees field of view, and the rear camera covers 130 degrees, effectively reducing blind spots and giving you added peace of mind during your journeys. Empowered by the advanced STARVIS 2IMX675 sensor, this driving recorder is equipped with an exceptional optical lens featuring a large f1.8 aperture and 6 layers, alongside HDR technology, to capture critical details clearly even in low-light conditions. 70mm Dashcam features built-in Wi-Fi and app support for both Android and iOS, allowing live preview, video downloads, and recording management. Built-in GPS logs your location, speed, and route accurately, enhancing the utility of your recordings. The ADAS function also provides a heightened level of awareness, ensuring a secure and confident driving experience. Number 4. VIOFO Dash Cam A119 Mini 2. The VIOFO A119 Mini 2 dash cam is impressive and revolutionarily deploys Sony's newest STARVIS 2 sensor, delivering clear, sharp footage even in low light. This 2K mini dashcam can bring low noise, eliminate motion blur, and shoot clearer details during day and night recording. A 119 Mini 2 has a rather mini design, making it much easier to hide behind or next to the rear view mirror. The concealed installation design won't obstruct your sight. This dashcam's front 140 degrees wide angle provides a good field of view for recording everything that happens on the road. You can fully immerse yourself in your journey. By giving simple voice commands, VIOFO Front Dash Cam A119 Mini 2 allows you to lock the video, take photos, turn on/off Wi-Fi, and more. 5. ROVE R2 4K Dual Dash Cam. This 4K dash cam offers dual-channel recording capabilities, capturing footage simultaneously from both the front and rear cameras. Equipped with a SONY STARVIS 2 image sensor for the front camera, This dash cam delivers exceptional image quality with vivid colors and sharp details, even in challenging lighting conditions. Plus, R24K Dual offers 3 options for its custom-designed 24-hour parking mode with voice guidance: 1 FPS time-lapse video, motion detection, and collision detection. So, experience peace of mind with this front and rear car dash cam. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this list of the best dash cams with SONY STARVIS 2 sensors, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.